Have you ever wondered what your fashion style is? It's a question that has crossed the minds of many. Having a distinct fashion style isn't just about looking good, it plays a crucial role in shaping our confidence and how we are perceived by others. It's a tool of self-expression and an extension of who we are. Fashion is not just about trends, it's about finding what resonates with you. Identifying your personal fashion style can be a rewarding journey of self-discovery. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. Scene script. Start by understanding your own preferences. Diving into the world of fashion begins with a deep dive into yourself. What do you like? What makes you feel confident, comfortable, stylish? These are questions to ask yourself as you begin to shape your unique fashion style. Imagine your favorite pieces of clothing. What do they have in common? Is it the texture of the fabric, the cut of the garment, or perhaps the color? Or maybe it's the way they fit, the way they make you feel when you wear them. These are not just clothes, these are expressions of your personality, your mood, your vibe. Think about what attracts you to these pieces. Is it the structure of a well-tailored blazer, the ease of a cotton tee, the edge of a leather jacket, or the sophistication of a crisp white shirt? Take note of these elements, they are clues to your personal style, and let's not forget accessories, a watch, a tie, a pair of glasses, a hat. These details can dramatically transform a look, adding depth and character. What kind of accessories do you gravitate towards? Bold and statement-making or subtle and understated? Now make a list of all these favorite items and what you like about them. This isn't about creating a shopping list, but rather a style guide of sorts. This list will help you identify patterns and commonalities in your preferences. It will highlight what you naturally gravitate towards, and shed light on what makes you feel good in your clothes. Remember, this journey of discovering your style is unique to you. It's about uncovering your personal likes and dislikes, your comfort zones and boundaries. It's about understanding what you need from your clothes, function, comfort, expression, or all of the above. It's about recognizing that your style is a reflection of you, your lifestyle, and your personality. So pay close attention to your preferences. They are the compass guiding you to your fashion style. Your preferences are the foundation of your fashion style. Now, it's time to explore different fashion styles. Let's dive into the world of men's fashion, which is as diverse and exciting as the personalities that wear them. From the timeless appeal of classic style to the laid-back allure of casual wear, there is a style out there that perfectly complements your unique personality and lifestyle. First off, we have the classic style. Think James Bond sipping a martini in a sharply tailored suit. This style is all about timeless pieces, clean lines, and sophistication. It's not about chasing trends, but rather investing in quality pieces that you can wear for years to come. Next, we have casual style. This is for those who value comfort without compromising on style. Casual style is all about effortless cool, with a focus on simple, functional pieces like jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers. It's about looking good without trying too hard. Then there's streetwear, a style that's rooted in the rebellious spirit of youth culture. It's a mix of high fashion and urban cool with elements like oversized hoodies, graphic tees, and chunky sneakers. Streetwear is about making a statement and expressing your individuality. For the corporate warriors out there, we have the business style. Think sharp suits, crisp shirts, and polished shoes. Business style is about projecting confidence and professionalism. It's about dressing for success. Last but not least, we have the athletic style. This is for those who live an active lifestyle or simply love the comfort and functionality of sportswear. Athletic style is about performance and versatility, with pieces like joggers, athletic shorts, and performance tees. I encourage you to research these styles and see which elements you are drawn to. Look at images, read articles, and even watch fashion shows. Take note of what resonates with you, what makes you feel confident and comfortable. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression. It's about showing the world who you are and what you stand for. Exploring different styles can help you discover what resonates with you. Next, you should experiment with different clothing items and combinations. That's right, fashion is all about trying new things and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's a grand stage for personal expression, and the only way to truly find your style is by trying on a multitude of outfits and combinations. Think of it as a journey of self-discovery, where every piece of clothing you try on helps you understand more about your preferences, your comfort, and ultimately, your style. It's like a puzzle, and each clothing item is a piece that can fit into your overall fashion narrative. Now, this may seem daunting, especially when there are countless styles and trends out there. But remember, it's not about blindly following trends, It's about finding what resonates with you. So don't limit yourself. If you've always stuck to neutral colors, try adding some bold colors or patterns to your wardrobe. If you've always been a jeans and t-shirt kind of guy, try slipping into a tailored suit or a stylish blazer. You might surprise yourself. But while experimenting, it's crucial to keep in mind the importance of fit and comfort. No matter how stylish an outfit might look, if it doesn't fit well or if it's not comfortable, it's not for you. Remember, when clothes fit well, they not only look better, but they make you feel more confident too. And comfort, well, that's key. An outfit that's uncomfortable can take away from your confidence and make you feel out of place. So, always prioritize comfort. After all, your style should be a reflection of you, and you deserve to feel comfortable in your own skin and in your clothes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. It's through these missteps that we learn the most about ourselves and our style. So, try on that funky hat, those vibrant socks, or that patterned tie. You never know, you might just find a new favorite piece. Experimentation can lead to unexpected discoveries about your fashion style. So, go forth and experiment, and remember, fashion should be fun, it should be personal, and most importantly, it should be you. Once you've found your style, strive for consistency. There's a certain rhythm to this mantra that resonates deeply within the realm of fashion. Consistency, gentlemen, is the secret ingredient to crafting an unforgettable personal style. Imagine your fashion style as a language, a way to communicate your identity without uttering a single word. Just like any language, when you keep altering your vocabulary or your accent, people might get confused. They may struggle to understand what you're trying to convey. The same goes for your style. When it's consistent, it becomes a powerful tool to express your personality, your values, and your tastes. Now, consistency doesn't mean wearing the same outfit day in and day out. It's more about having a clear aesthetic direction. A signature look, if you will. It's like a melody that remains identifiable even with different notes. Whether it's the cut of your clothes, the colors you wear, or the accessories you choose, these elements should echo your unique style narrative. Consistency in style also brings an added bonus. It makes shopping a breeze. With a clear vision of your style, you can easily sift through the fashion noise and zero in on pieces that truly speak to you. You'll find that you're not just buying clothes anymore, but curating a wardrobe that is a reflection of your persona. Moreover, a consistent style is a form of personal branding. It's about creating a visual identity that people can recognize and associate with you. Much like a logo or a tagline that distinguishes a brand, your style sets you apart. It tells the world who you are and what you stand for. So, be intentional with your style choices. Let each piece you wear contribute to your personal brand story. In essence, consistency in fashion is a journey of self-expression. It's about creating a style language that's inherently you and communicating it with the world. So gentlemen, as you continue this journey, remember, consistency in your style helps build your personal brand. Let's summarize the steps to finding your personal fashion style. We began our journey by understanding personal preferences. It's all about knowing what you like and what you feel comfortable in. This is the groundwork where you lay down the foundations of your style by identifying your favorite colors, patterns, and cuts. Next, we ventured into the world of different styles. This is where you start to broaden your horizons by checking out various fashion trends, looking at style icons and learning about different aesthetics. From streetwear to classic, from grunge to preppy, there's a whole world out there to explore. Then, we dived into the fun part, experimentation. Here is where you get your hands dirty, trying out different clothes, mixing and matching, and stepping out of your comfort zone. This is where you start to see what works for you and what doesn't. It's about trial and error, and most importantly, having fun with it. Finally, we talked about consistency and personal branding. This is about creating a cohesive look that represents you. It's about making a statement and leaving a lasting impression. In the end, remember this. Fashion is personal. It's an extension of who you are. It's not about following trends blindly, but about creating a style that suits you. Remember, your fashion style is a reflection of you. So make it unique, make it you. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that your journey towards finding your personal fashion style is just beginning. Remember, it's not a one-time thing but a continuous process of exploration and self-discovery, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Your likes help us keep creating more content like this. And while you're at it, why not drop a comment? We'd love to hear about your personal style journey. What's your favorite fashion trend right now? Who's your style icon? Share your thoughts with us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion guides and style tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself. So, make it unique, make it you.
Enjoyed the rush of the game? Now boost your style score. Like the video, comment your favorite tip, subscribe for more. Stay ahead in fashion, just as you do in sports. Until next time, keep winning.